Welcome to our short video, which will show you how to make a nomination for the TOPRA Awards for Regulatory Excellence 2023. First, follow the link to topra.awardsplatform.com and you will be taken to this page. Start by registering for an account by filling out your details. If you submitted a nomination with us last year, then you can simply log in using the panel to the right. Please note the tick boxes at the bottom and make sure you tick them both. They will ensure that you will receive email communications from us regarding your nomination, such as confirmation that it has been submitted successfully. Then click Register. You will then be taken to this screen, which indicates that you need to verify your email address. In your inbox, there should now be an email with a verification link. Click on that and you will be directed back to the platform where you can begin your nomination. On this page, you can scroll up and view some of the information relating to our awards. In particular, please note the nomination deadline, which is the 16th of June. You have until that date to complete and submit your nomination. Now, when you're ready, click Start Nomination. The Start Here tab is where you can select which category you wish to nominate someone for. Once selected, you will see the category information drop-downs for you to read over to ensure your nominee is the right fit. You can also download a PDF document containing all the information required so you can review and compile this offline. Please note, however, that nominations can only be made through this platform, so if you download this PDF, please ensure you return here to complete and submit it. Now, enter the name of the person you wish to nominate for this category, then click Save and Next. Now you will be taken to the Basic Details tab, which ensures we have all the right information for both you and the person you are nominating, so we can get in touch as your submission progresses. Once this is complete, click Save and Next, and you will be taken to the Scoring Criteria tab. This is where you can begin explaining why you think your nominee deserves to win this award. Each application is marked out of 100 by a panel of judges, so it is important to consider the marks that have been assigned to each question. As you can see, the first two questions are worth 10 marks, and the third is worth 30, and so on. This will guide you on how much detail each question requires, and also how much you should write. You can click Save and Close anytime, and then come back to your nomination when you are ready. Nominations do not need to be completed all in one go, but must be submitted by the 16th of June. Once you are ready to proceed, click Save and Next. This section is where you can attach any additional evidence that you feel may support your nomination. This could be a link to a website or a video. However, please note that this should not include any additional written content, as this should be covered in the previous section. Once you have attached everything you think is relevant, click Save and Next to proceed to the last stage. This final section is where you need to declare that all the information you have been given on this submission is accurate. Once you have clicked this box to confirm, please click Submit Nomination. This confirmation page confirms your nominations have been submitted successfully. From here, you can click Return to My Nominations and scroll down to review the submission you have just made. You can see the name, category, and the status of your nomination from when you last updated it. You also have the option to download it as a PDF if you want to review the details of your nomination. You can still edit your nomination even after submitting it. All nominations can be edited up until the deadline of the 16th of June. You can do this by clicking on the three dots to the left of your nominee's name, then go down to Edit and you will be taken back to the nomination form. Once you have made all your edits, you can then click Save and Close. And that's it. Thank you for taking the time to submit your nomination. We wish your nominee the best of luck.